Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Blockman Go game. So let's get started right away. Now if you open up the Blockman Go game on your device and check within after you have already logged in, you will not find any option to log out from your account, but you will only find the switch account option. So if you wish to simply log out from your account, you will either need to clear the data from within the application itself or from your phone settings. If you open up the application, just tap on your account icon at the bottom right corner and then scroll down and tap on setting. Now from the settings page, tap on storage space management and you will now see the click to clear data option at the bottom section. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to clear your data, and this will also tell you that you will need to restart the game and re-download the game resources. Tap on the confirm button, which will now log you out from your account within the Blockman Go game. And you will now once again be able to open up the game, and you will notice that you will be asked to sign up all the way from the beginning. And if you wish to log back in once again, you can proceed forward with your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Blockman Go game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.